Friday night knife review. And tonight we're going to be looking at the Wild Boar 1019. I haven't seen this freaking thing since I got it in the mail, and I gotta say that I don't know what I expect because I only paid $263 for this knife. So let's go ahead, let's open it up and let's see what we get. Wild Boar knives, also made in China. Let's go ahead, let's open her up. Ooh, that's a hungry man right there. I thought this was going to be a tiny little knife. Ooh, it's thin. It's a lockback knife, by the way. But let's go ahead, let's open her up. That's a little rough. Listen to that. Let's see, does the blade have any play in it? None whatsoever. If I had to guess on what the knife steel is on this blade, I couldn't tell you. Because all it says on the tang stamp is Wild Boar and then the model number in China on the other side. But yeah, a little drop of oil in that little and the hinge, and actually a pretty nice little knife to carry. Now, is it sharp? Let's find out. Got a piece of paper right here. I'd say that's extremely sharp. Except for I just ripped the paper right there. But yeah, that comes really sharp. For $263 though, holy crap. The only thing this knife could deal with would probably be a little better, maybe a pocket clip, but that's a little thin profile knife. If you're wondering what the material handle is on the side right here, it's aluminum. At least it claims to be aluminum. I think it's an aluminum shell over plastic, but I'm not going to criticize it for the price point. Also picked this knife up off of Knife Country USA. There'll be a link to this particular product down in the description below. If you like this video, go ahead and like, maybe subscribe, and if you didn't like something in this video, go ahead and let me know down in the comments section. If you did like something you'll see in this video, let me know down in the comments section. But anyhow, I'm Spaztastic, another Friday Night Knife Review, and thank you for watching.